Fucking Derby Day, baby. Let's go. God damn. Well, today we're going to Whitneyville, the Fall Brawl. Me, Connor, and Mark are running. Well, me and Connor are running. Don't know about Mark yet. Well, I guess we kind of do, but she's a little iffy still.
Yeah, she's rough.
Hey, what time did y'all get to bed last night?
I didn't get here till 3:30.
Yeah, so
This morning.
it was, yeah, this morning. It was a late night, but got this roller and a motor Wednesday, and then just decided to build it yesterday. But we'll see. What are your thoughts, bud, on Mark's ordeal?
Let's hope we get there.
Alright, we'll see you guys at the track. Alright, we made it to Whitneyville in the Tioga County Fairgrounds, and so yesterday I was supposed to run a class or run a show, but the EMS couldn't make it out. They were out on call, so now they're running both days in one day, so it's gonna be a long day, and there's a lot of cars here. Good show out, but we all made it. Connor, me, Mark, we're all here. The little four bangers being loud as hell, but we just got a couple more. We just got some 9-wire to do after we get inspected, and I guess I'll just take you along for the trip. Alrighty, well, me and Connor made it through tech. Got sticks up on both cars. We still gotta do some 9-wire work and put the roof signs on and get GoPros mounted. But got anything you want to say, bud?
No, I think we're good.
Alrighty,
See how this goes.
we'll go have some fun.
Mad Dog trophy right there. It's got your name on it.
have the 64 on the clock. The 883 is on the clock. The 42 has made the last contact. And that's gonna be the show, folks. The 883 machine is third place. The 64 second, and the 42 takes first.
Gonna get third place, Brady Grimes in second place, and Connor Rudnick in first place.
Hey,
Dan
if you give me your battery, I think I can run it.
Well, me and Connor and Mark ran. Connor ended up getting second place in his car.
That one did.
He's a little tooted now. But you got any words, bud?
That was fun.
Well, Mark's tranny either blue or here's his photo.
It didn't actually happen with Mark. He just got scared, so he had to turn it off and say it was his tranny.
Yeah, there's a reason behind that. Mark went to go run Yates at the V8, and he pussied out. But Steve ran it and did some donuts. But Mark's tranny either went or needs more tranny fluid. Mark, you want to say anything?
I'm a V8 guy now. I will not be buying more compact shit.
Don't let him lie to you. My car, she fucking quit on me. Don't know why, but I got pulled off the track and she started right back up, drove around the trailer. So you'll see more of this Lincoln next year. But now we're finally, I think, one of the very first derbies we just ran and got finally loaded. So we're gonna go up and enjoy the rest of the derbies. Maybe I'll put some clips in, but I'll see you guys later. All right, so I haven't got much footage because you can't really see shit from where we're sitting.
At it.
Yeah.
We can see everything from where we're at.
Yeah, not on the GoPro though. I'll push you down the stairs.
No.
But limited load V8s just ran. Last heat is bone stock compacts. We're gonna watch. Oh yeah, gut and go compact. Sorry. We're gonna watch this one and then we're gonna head out. But if you guys enjoy the video, I'll throw some clips into our heat GoPro run. If you enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and
Give it a
comment.
big thumbs up. Oh, jeez.
Connor, hey, say bye. Bye.